There's something so inviting about farmhouse style. It's warm, welcoming, and full of heart. The best part? You don't need a big budget to create this look in your own home. Thrift stores are full of hidden treasures waiting to be transformed into farmhouse gems. Let's embark on this journey together. Imagine cozy evenings by the fireplace, surrounded by pieces that tell a story. Each item in your home should spark joy and reflect your unique style. With a little creativity, you can turn thrifted finds into one-of-a-kind pieces that bring character and warmth to your space. Remember, farmhouse style is all about embracing imperfections. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Let your personality shine through, and your home will become a true reflection of you. Farmhouse style is all about simplicity and authenticity. It's a design approach that brings a sense of calm and comfort to any home. It celebrates natural materials, neutral colors, and a touch of rustic charm. The beauty of farmhouse style lies in its ability to make a space feel warm and inviting. Think weathered wood, soft linens, and vintage accents that tell a story. Each piece in a farmhouse home has a history, a narrative that adds depth and character. Start by incorporating natural elements like wood, metal, and cotton fabrics. These materials are not only durable, but also bring a sense of nature indoors. These materials bring a sense of warmth and texture to your space. They create a cozy atmosphere that makes you feel right at home. A beautiful wooden bowl on your kitchen counter, filled with fresh fruit, can be a simple yet striking focal point. A vintage metal sign above your fireplace adds a touch of nostalgia and history to your living room. Or a cozy cotton throw on your sofa instantly adds farmhouse charm. These small touches make a big difference in creating a welcoming space. Neutral colors like white, cream, beige, and gray create a calming backdrop for your farmhouse decor. These shades are versatile and timeless. These colors allow your thrifted treasures to stand out and shine. Each item can become a conversation piece, adding personality to your home. Add pops of color with fresh flowers, greenery, or even a bowl of seasonal fruits. These elements bring life and vibrancy to your space, or vintage textiles and muted tones can add a subtle yet elegant touch. These fabrics often have unique patterns and textures that enhance the farmhouse aesthetic. Remember, farmhouse style is about creating a space that feels lived in and loved. It's about comfort, warmth, and a sense of belonging. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures, patterns, and finishes. This eclectic approach adds depth and interest to your decor. Embrace the imperfections. They add to the character and charm of your farmhouse haven. Each scratch, dent, and worn edge tells a story of its own. Before you head out to the thrift stores, take some time to assess your space. Walk through each room and think about what could enhance the overall look and feel. Make a detailed list of what you need. This could include anything from furniture to small decorative items. Do you need a statement piece for your living room? Maybe a unique coffee table or an eye-catching lamp? Are you looking for vintage dishes to display in your kitchen? These can add a touch of nostalgia and charm. Having a plan will help you stay focused and avoid impulse buys. It's easy to get distracted by all the interesting items you might find. Walk through your home and take note of any empty walls, bare corners, or areas that could use a little something extra. Think about what kind of items would best fill those spaces. Measure your spaces to make sure any furniture you find will fit comfortably. This is crucial to avoid buying pieces that are too large or too small. This will prevent any disappointments when you're out shopping. There's nothing worse than finding the perfect piece only to realize it won't fit in your space. Once you have a list, start brainstorming DIY projects. Think about how you can transform items to fit your style. Could that old window frame be turned into a charming chalkboard? Or perhaps a unique photo frame? Could those mason jars become rustic candle holders? They can also be used for storage or as vases. Thinking ahead about potential transformations will help you see the potential in even the most unexpected items. Sometimes the best finds are the ones that need a little creativity. Remember, thrifting is a treasure hunt. It's all about the thrill of discovering something unique and special. It takes time and patience to find those hidden gems. Don't rush the process. Enjoy the journey. Don't get discouraged if you don't find everything on your list in one trip. Thrifting is about persistence and patience. The thrill of the hunt is part of the fun. Each trip is an adventure and you never know what treasures you might uncover. Now comes the exciting part, thrifting. Start by exploring local thrift stores, antique shops, and flea markets. Each one offers a unique selection of treasures waiting to be discovered. When browsing, look for items with good structure and quality materials. A sturdy wooden chair can easily be repainted and reupholstered. A well-made vintage lamp can be updated with a new shade. Don't be afraid to look past imperfections. A little TLC can go a long way. Be sure to check for any damage or wear and tear before you buy. Look for cracks, chips, or loose parts. If you're handy with repairs, you might be able to fix minor issues. If not, consider whether the item is worth the extra cost of repairs. Remember, thrifting is all about finding unique pieces that speak to you. Don't be afraid to take your time, explore different sections, and trust your instincts. You never know what treasures you might uncover. Section 5. DIY Farmhouse Magic Transforming Finds into Treasures. Welcome to a world where creativity meets practicality, and where your thrift store finds can become the centerpiece of your home decor. Now that you've gathered your thrifted finds, it's time to work your DIY magic. The possibilities are endless, and with a bit of imagination you can turn these humble items into stunning pieces. With a little creativity and effort, you can transform these pieces into unique farmhouse treasures. Whether it's a small trinket or a large piece of furniture, every item has the potential to shine. One of the easiest ways to update thrifted furniture is with paint. A simple coat of paint can breathe new life into an old piece, making it look fresh and modern. A fresh coat of white or cream paint can instantly brighten up a piece and give it a farmhouse feel. These colors are timeless and can easily blend with any decor style. Distress the edges for a more rustic, time-worn look. This technique adds character and a sense of history to your furniture, making it look like a cherished heirloom. Another simple DIY project is to create your own wall decor using thrifted frames and vintage fabrics. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your home. Find a frame you love, remove the glass, and replace it with a piece of burlap or linen. This creates a beautiful, textured backdrop for your photos or artwork. You can even add a monogram or a piece of vintage lace for extra charm. These small details can make a big difference and add a unique touch to your decor. Don't forget about the power of repurposing. Turning old items into something new and functional is not only eco-friendly but also incredibly rewarding. Old crates can become charming shelves. They add a rustic touch to any room and are perfect for displaying books, plants, or other decorative items. Vintage suitcases can be transformed into unique side tables. These pieces are not only functional but also serve as conversation starters. Let your imagination run wild and see the potential in every item. The joy of DIY is in the process and the satisfaction of creating something beautiful and unique. Section 6. Styling your farmhouse haven. Styling your farmhouse decor is all about creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Start by creating focal points in each room. This could be a fireplace, a large window, or a statement piece of furniture. Layer textures and textiles to add depth and warmth. Think cozy throws, plush rugs, and linen curtains. Mix and match patterns like stripes, checks, and florals in muted tones. Greenery is essential for bringing life and freshness to your farmhouse decor. Add potted plants, fresh flowers, or branches in vintage vases. Don't be afraid to use faux greenery for low-maintenance beauty. Remember, less is more in farmhouse style. Avoid clutter and allow your thrifted treasures to breathe. Create a sense of balance and harmony throughout your space. Section 7. Caring for your farmhouse treasures. Once you've created your farmhouse haven, it's important to care for your thrifted treasures. Regular cleaning will help preserve their beauty and extend their lifespan. Dust your furniture regularly with a soft cloth. Vacuum rugs and carpets frequently to remove dirt and debris. For upholstered pieces, spot clean stains with a mild detergent. Rotate your decor seasonally to keep your space feeling fresh. Swap out throw pillows, blankets, and other accents to reflect the changing seasons. This will also prevent fading from prolonged sun exposure. Don't be afraid to make budget-friendly updates to your decor. A fresh coat of paint, new hardware, or a different arrangement can make a big difference. Embrace the evolving nature of your farmhouse style. Section 8. Embrace the journey of farmhouse style. Creating a farmhouse-inspired home with thrifted finds is a journey of creativity and self-expression. It's about finding beauty in the imperfect, embracing simplicity, and surrounding yourself with pieces that tell a story. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and trust your instincts. Let your personality shine through and your home will become a true reflection of you. Remember, the most important ingredient in creating a farmhouse haven is love. Pour your heart into every project, Cherish the memories associated with each piece, and enjoy the process of transforming your house into a home. Happy thrifting!